And another one that we should talk about is Ford. Why? Because Ford is launching a new AI to grow multi-billion-dollar pro commercial business. This business is basically the new AI. It's called Ford Pro AI. Ford Pro AI, and here it is. Ford Pro AI, and it can analyze and monitor 1 billion data points from connected commercial vehicles. For example, all kinds of things such as seatbelts, the health of the car, route optimization, fuel consumption, different things like that. Now, the goal is to equip the 840,000 paid commercial subscribers with the tools to increase the efficiency and profits, and therefore reduce vehicle downtimes by allowing them to more easily analyze their businesses and operations, according to Ford. Now, Automaker reporting is growing at 30% since last year. It's 30% higher subscribers since last year, and Pro AI is actually built off of Google Cloud. So this is interesting. So, for example, imagine you have a car or truck, and you get this all the 1 billion data points from the AI, and it analyzes everything, and therefore it can tell you when you need to change something, when there's something off about it, and therefore you'll have less downtime from the vehicle, and it'll last longer in theory, right? So let's take a look at this. Let's go here on TradingView. Take a look here at Ford. Here is Ford right here. And right now, if you're looking at the relative strength index, right now we're sitting at 34, which is still pretty close to being oversold. As you can see right here, we bounced back from going all the way down to 20 oversold. Now the market corrected, it's come back up. You can see right here, there's a lot of, let's see, right here, boom, boom, boom. It looks like it's at about 12 right now, 12.24. And look at the trading volume. This is a lot of trading volume going on right now because there's a lot of price action, okay? Again, look at these volume bars, lots of volume of trading right now. Now, let's go here to the some of these chart patterns. What can we see in the chart patterns? Right now, my time is set on 1 minute. Different times will give you different patterns, but look right here. For example, here's a double top right here. You can see that. The double top leads to bang, the downward slope right there. And let's go for a couple more here. What can I show you? Again, if we come over here, yes, here is, for example, another, that was a double top. Here is the double bottom right here, and then bang, right here, double bottom, and you can see right there, and it breaks that neckline and it goes up right there. Good. And let's see if I can give you a couple more really quick. And then, for example, again, spread this out, you'll see some different things up here. And this to me looks like if we go right over here, it's kind of a hunched over reverse head and shoulders. Not a very good one, but it's still a hunched over angled reverse head and shoulders, if you can see that. And then yes, over here it does break out of the neckline over there. So that's looking at Ford there. Now let's go back over here to that's Ford. What about, we also have to talk about him and hers. Why are we talking about him and hers? Because him and hers, right here, him and hers is surging right now after Novo Nordisk dropped their lawsuit against them for patent infringement. Here's the story, okay? Let's go here to him and hers. Him and hers, right here. Put that right here on the 1 second as I straighten this out. Bring this down here. Adjust my settings a little bit. You can see me doing this. For example, there's that. Now you get a better looking chart pattern right there. Right there, and then adjust this one as well. There's your MACD. Here's your RSI. And then if we go right over here, again, him and hers. For example, 1 minute chart pattern. Okay, now let's go over here to him and hers on the article. Yeah, they dropped their legal case because the companies agreed that him and hers would sell Novo branded medicines through their platform. So instead of holding the lawsuit, they'll just allow them to sell through their platform. And with that led to him and hers surging more than 40% in morning trading, while 40% surge. So let's see that. Here, if you look right here, here is that surge that they're talking about. Bang, right here in the morning trading. Look at that. So that's him and hers with that surge right there. Yeah, and right now, as you can see, the RSI is sitting here only at 43, so it's very, very neutral. It's got room to run, that's for sure. So that and more, him and hers, Ford, coming up in the next live stream. If you enjoyed the video, let me know.